Oh no, I gained weight again. I was doing so well. I lost 3 kilos. I'm so done with this diet. Wait, take it easy. You know that it doesn't necessarily mean you actually gain 2 kilograms of fat, right? I went to my friend's birthday on Saturday. There was delicious food and cake and wine. And now on Monday, I gained 2 kilos back. It's all pointless. But it's not fat. But I can clearly see higher number on the scale. It's just water retention and probably the food that is still in your stomach after the weekend. But I ate a lot of food. Even if you eat a lot of food, 1 week won't ruin your progress. Unless you're gonna give up now, then for sure you won't lose weight. So what should I do now? Just go back to the way you eat before the weekend and be consistent. You will be fine.